He's as big as you. Oh. Oh, yeah. Show Dad.
Who you got?
Who is that from?
There's his nose.
Banana Pop?
Ah, hi, Mickey. Can we take him to church with us?
There's his nose. Here's mine.
We usually take Mickey to church with us, but it's
It's a much smaller Mickey.
we go to church with that one.
Put him in the wagon. Don't want Mickey anymore?
I'm gonna bite your nose.
Whose turn? Rob?
From Kelly Lynn's cat.
What do you want, baby?
You want it really big.
I'll
Very
put the point in
nice.
because that was kind of hard to read. But your name is on it.
Oh, is that from us?
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh, yeah.
Here, let's pull your sock up.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
Come up, Bob.
Oh, I
Here,
just come
look
sit
at
with
that.
me.